Hello everyone, to today's window cleaning vlog. It's a Tuesday. We've got, bear with me, I've forgotten. We've got 20 cleans. We're in Holbeach and Long Sutton. We've had one skip. It's me and just Matthew. Sophie has been away for a week and she's away for this week as well. So me and Matthew are just doing the extra work to make sure it gets done. It is hard to get everything done before fall, but we've managed so far. The weather is not good. It's overcast, rainy. We've had slush and snow, which I expect many of you had during the night, but it's not laid. And we're going to have gusts up to 31 miles an hour. But at the moment, it looks all right, so we're going to go for it. Will we do it? I have no idea. What do you reckon, Matthew? Matthew says he don't know, so we'll see. Follow us along, see if we'll do it. Okay, we've just done clean number 4, but what I'll quickly talk about is this. It's something you can buy from gardeners. It's something I brought years ago, but I believe you just buy the parts and make it yourself now. So you've got your normal regular garden hose connector, and then you can have your Rectus 21 male or female connected on the end with, I believe it's an 8mm hose. You'll have to dip it in hot water to make it fit on one of these, but you'll see in the clip I put up now, using the Tough Connect, one of the good things is I can disconnect my pole hose because it's got like a male end Rectus 21 and it will fit into the female Rectus 21 fitting, and then using the garden hose with one of these connectors in there, I can connect the customer's garden hose to this, and then running from there will be my pole hose. So it enables me basically to use the customer's tap water from the tap whilst cleaning the conservatory roof. So it saves you pure water, and I'm not having to fill up, say, a trolley system to do that neither. So top tip. Right, we've just done 3 bungalows. They're all next door to each other, so that's a gift. What normally happens on this day is that's where my wife, when she drops my younger son off to school for his 6th form, he's got different lessons, different days, different times sort of thing. What she does is when she drops him off, she'll come and to where we've got these 3 bungalows we've just done, and then what she'll do is replenish with some 25-litre barrels of water to replace the ones we've used, and we fill up the tank as much as we can. And what that does is it gets us through the rest of the day without having to go home to refill up with water. But today's going to be different because my wife was involved in an RTC, is that what they're called? RTC, a road traffic collision. And she's got bruised ribs and stuff, and our car's probably going to be a write-off. But other than that, she's all right. So it's just me and Matthew. We haven't got Sophie with us, and we're going to have to drive home to fill up the water, so that's going to make us lose more time in the day as well. That's why today's a bit iffy. We've got 14 cleans left to do. I'm now doing another 2 more cleans close to each other in Holbeach. That'll leave us with 1 more after that, and that'll be Holbeach done. So we'll see what's going on. But yeah, fun times. And the weather, it's showers here and there. It's cold enough for me to put gloves on. When you see how it goes, I'm sure it's going to get colder later in the afternoon. But will we get today done? I have no idea. We'll see. It's now 11 a.m, just gone. So I think it's pushing it, to be honest. But you can only try, can't you? Got no other option. See how we get on. Now these two houses, they're neighbours, they're close to each other, so that's handy. And because they're good neighbours, there's actually a gate that I can go through to get into either garden. So that helps me out. Now how we work this is, me and Sophie, we normally come around the back, but obviously today that's just me. And while I'm doing the back, Matthew's doing the front of both properties. Anyway, let's crack on. Right here, this one in Holbeach, it's a flat at the top, so I've had to put an extension on my pole to reach windows. Matthew's done the other side, and the window which is on a third side, and I'm doing 3 windows here, and the rain's just started coming as well. On and off today. I guess at least it means it'll be warmer. Right, we've got 11 cleans left to go. The next 2 cleans, once they've done, I'm going to head home and we're going to refill up the tank with water to see it's free for the day. It's almost midday, just a couple of minutes off, to be honest. So not too bad. As long as we get the next 2 done, I'm hopeful we should be able to get all the cleans done. But now I've said that, there's probably going to be a multitude of things go wrong. Right, a little tip for you that we do is, I know it's not completely like snow on the ground and all that stuff, but when it's freezing cold, what you do with these gloves is take them off your hands while you're in the van, give your hands time to breathe, and put your gloves on your above your heaters. So when you've got the fan heater on for your window screen, it warms your gloves on, and then they're nice and warm when you put them back on your hands, because the cold thing rubs the heat off them, doesn't it? So that's what we do, but obviously it makes the van a bit dirty, and it's just an extra thing I get to clean on a Sunday. The kids don't, it's me in it when I clean the van. But what we tend to do is have it so the gloves are facing me when it's in the van, so otherwise I found the kids push them too far down and then they get all dirty finger marks from the gloves on the actual screen of the glass, or the window screen, for me to clean as well. But yeah, little top tip for you. Anyway, just heading off. I probably won't film these ones because of time, so I'll get these 2 done and then I'll head home to fill up. Keep watching to see if we make it, because obviously I ain't got a clue. As you probably guessed, I'm now filling up the tank. I'm having a brew while I'm doing that. It's 1:15 and I'm using my IBC tank with a submersible pump, transferring water into the tank as we speak. By the time I finish this, that'll be done, and then we'll be cracking straight out again. It's going to take me 22 minutes to get back to the next clean. I've got 1 beast of a clean to do. I think we've got 9 cleans left for the day, and another conservatory roof. It's only a polycarbonate roof, lean-to, and it'll just be to get a bit of moss off and where it started to turn green, that's all. I've done it that way before, it doesn't take too long. But will we do it? Time's against us. This time of year it gets dark quick, so keep watching, take your bets. I couldn't film all the work we're doing towards the end because we're getting pushed on time and it gets dark early now. So I've had to film this last bit when we got home. We did not clean the very last clean of the day. We did everything else, which I'm happy with. The one we didn't get to clean, we arranged to clean tomorrow morning first thing. Problem is for me, all tomorrow's work is in the village next to where I live, but I've got to drive out to about 24 minutes to catch up on the clean I didn't do today. I can start that bang on at 8 in the morning, so I don't mind the drive out there. It's just going to be the drive back. And I've got loads of work on booked tomorrow. However, we've got 2 that have skipped. I've got another 2, it sounds like they want to skip because the weather's going to be potentially bad tomorrow. And I've also got another person that's asked us to put them on hold for the window cleaning until March. So basically during the winter, don't want us to clean the windows. I know a lot of people would moan about that, but I'm actually quite happy because I've got loads of work on tomorrow, plus the one to catch up. So it's kind of helped me out. I should be all good anyway. But yeah, see what tomorrow brings. Like we're saying, speaking to customers, they got up 3 in the morning, all snow on the ground, 7 in the morning, all gone. So I was lucky with the weather today, really, but we got there. Anyway, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. We almost did it, just one clean short. Videos coming up here for you to watch. Thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel, means a lot, and I'll catch you on the next video. Stay safe.